Here's an uncomfortable truth about heavy industry. On a critical production line, unplanned downtime can cost thousands of dollars every single minute, and more than half of it traces back to two avoidable problems: the wrong part on hand or the wrong skill on shift. Most plants already run an EAM or ERP, yet MRO inventory accuracy still hovers around 70%. Up to 30% of stored spares are dead stock, and maintenance inventory can tie up as much as a third of total operating expense. Cash sitting idle on a shelf. Why does this happen? Because the plan is static. Min-max levels get set once in a spreadsheet and never revisited. Work orders pile up faster than parts and technicians can be matched to them, and every lever pulls on the others. Cut inventory too hard and downtime climbs right back up. This is where MRO360 changes the game. It's an AI-native inventory intelligence layer that sits on top of your existing systems. Reorder points recalculate continuously from live usage and real supplier lead times. Before raising a purchase order, it checks every plant for surplus and suggests a transfer instead. It also makes your backlog executable. MRO360 reads every open work order, checks live parts availability, and surfaces exactly which jobs you can run this week. And the moment a predictive signal flags a likely failure, it confirms the right parts are in stock and pre-drafts the work order for a planner to approve. The results are measurable. 0 missed critical parts at work order start. 15 to 30% of working capital released. Emergency spend cut by up to 70%. And parts-driven downtime down by as much as 45%, with deployment in weeks, not years. Picture a multi-plant manufacturer. A vibration signal points to a failing pump seal. Instead of scrambling, MRO360 has already located the part at a sister plant, arranged the transfer, and drafted the work order. The planner approves it in one click, and the repair happens before the line ever stops. Ready to solve your enterprise data challenges? Visit Verdantis.com to learn how Verdantis helps organizations improve data quality, governance, and operational efficiency.